It has been quite some time that the entire world faces an omnipresent threat, and that is the threat of terrorism. A large number of countries are suffering from this, but at the same time, there has not been a coordinated effort to fight terrorism globally. I am happy that this has been flagged in United Nations Security Council today. India has been speaking about it in UN General Assembly a number of times. And Indian position is that we condemn terrorism in all forms and manifestations anywhere in the world. Now, this is a threat which everybody suffers. It has got great connection with crime. And unfortunately, the entire world has different approaches towards terrorism. People start acting when it affects them. And a number of countries do close their eyes when it is not affecting them. How is it that there are countries wherein a large number of UN designated terrorists move freely and the world doesn't take notice of it? How is it that there are countries who support a particular terror group in a country and then try and criticize a different kind of terror group in some other forum? Can we believe it that in today's world in United Nations, we have not collectively been able to derive at one common definition of terrorism? Certainly, the UNSC need to take it seriously, and I'm happy that today India has flagged this issue and this issue will be taken seriously. Tomorrow, there are instances wherein the terror groups are reigniting themselves, they are rejuvenating themselves, especially in the Middle East and the FPAC region and the region of so-called West Asia and many other regions. Also, the terror network and the crime network can work anywhere in the world because it's all internet driven. So therefore, if the entire world does not get together, we always face this challenge, and this challenge will be omnipresent in addition to all other challenges, whether it is COVID or it is threat or it is aggression or it is all kinds of other threats which we keep talking about. So I am very sure that now at least United Nations will take it seriously. We will arrive at a common definition of terrorism. The global community must arrive at a common action plan for fighting the terrorism. We must arrive at some common definition as well as condemnation of countries which sponsor terrorism. And there should be no politics. If a country has got terror entities on its soil, it must be condemned. The FATF should not be the voting pattern that, okay, you gather 3-4 votes and therefore after you are saved. Now that I think is a wrong approach. We must punish terror. Unless we do that, the entire world community will continue to face this menace of terrorism.